Hi. So I've got the drum that you're interested in. Here, come take a closer look. It's goat skin. The drum came out beautiful. I'm very happy with her. We did have some problem with her vibrating. She had some flesh buildup on this side of the skin that I cleaned up this morning. That buildup was causing the vibration. And it seems like with every drum build or every drum that I make, I learn something new. And that was another lesson that I learned today. And I figured that one out. But yeah, if you come look at the skin here, I cut the hair real short so it's nice and trimmed and it looks really good. If you look on the edge here, there's no wrinkles all the way around. It's nice and clean. This dark line here, that's the spine of the goat, which is the thickest part of the skin. And so it's good to have that go right down the center of the drum, to have the thickest part of the skin down the center. On this side, the lace, that's all goat. The ring is a steel ring that I rolled and welded myself. The branch was found in Pennsylvania. I cut the branch to size of the ring, and it's fitted to fit right inside the ring. I clear coated the branch. Today I'm going to use 3 different beaters to try to get different sounds from the drum. I'm not sure how good the camera will pick up the sounds that the drum, the tones that the drum will make. I'm using an iPhone. The first beater I'm using is a wool-headed beater. We're down in Florida now, and it's been raining the last few days, and she's kept up with the humid weather really well so far. I haven't had to heat her up or anything, and she's sounding great. The next beater I'm going to use is it's a thicker leather. It's more stiff leather. I think the drum beater that you got from me is more similar to this. I don't remember. Let's see how it sounds. The last beater I'm using is more of a softer leather. Alright, one more close look at her. I hope this video was some help. Thank you.